Get hundreds of amazing animated titles. More info on this card. Hola, soy Juan Nieto. I will use this video on the free app for Mac OS, Windows, and now on iPad, DaVinci Resolve. Let's import it. To see it here, you have to save it to Files. Drag it to the timeline. Hold for Options, Timeline Settings. Uncheck the box. Choose Use Vertical Resolution and OK. Select the clip. Open the inspector. Retime Scaling. Scaling. Fit. Now go to Titles and drag over the clip Text Plus. To unlock the red bar, just go here. Free Playhead. Let's personalize it. Shading tab for more options. Gradient, and change the black color for a gray. Go to option 2, Enable, change the color, and control the thickness. Or also you can add a gradient as an outline. It's time to animate it. Go to Settings tab, move the red bar to the frame 5, and press over the rhombus in front of the zoom. Now move the red bar to the minute 0, and change the zoom to 0. Move the red bar to the frame 3. If it sticks to the beginning, disable the magnet. And change the zoom to 1.3. This will be the result. Trim the title. Hold for Options. Copy. Hold and paste. Change the text of it. Hold paste and change the text the times you want. I will disable the track to create a new animation. Click here to add a new track, and let's drag a new text plus. If you want to learn how to make more effects to elevate your videos for free, subscribe now! This time I will move the red bar to the frame 10 and add a rhombus in front of the position and opacity. Move the red bar to 0 and change the position to -100 and opacity to 0. We got this. Now you can copy it, paste it, change the text as many times you want. It's important to know that you shouldn't trim the clip from the beginning, only from the end, to keep the animation. Supposing that this is finished, let's save it in our gallery. Click on the Export tab, Share, Save Video. Thanks for watching, subscribe to learn more for free. See you!